Think twice before opening your door. Watch real ring footage of trespassers, porch pirates, and suspicious strangers caught in the act.
No!
Kansas City, Missouri.
No! I told you! No!
What's wrong with this person? Seriously. San Antonio, Texas. This duo of porch pirates spotted a bike and some lawn equipment and decided to just take it. This is exactly why you should never leave valuable stuff outside. Glendale, Arizona. Check out this late-night creeper straight up vandalizing someone's property.
Come on, what's that? America.
Just why? Las Vegas, Nevada. These two women straight up pulled into the driveway, started digging through the mail, and even tried cracking open the mailbox. And the craziest part? They don't even care that there's a camera watching them. Winston-Salem, North Carolina. Another porch pirate at it again. This guy saw a chair outside and just decided, yep, I'll take that. But little did he know, the homeowner was watching everything on camera. Yeah, buddy, go ahead and put that chair right back where you found it.
Put them back! Put my chairs down! Stop stealing my stuff! You're on camera!
Greensboro, North Carolina. This lady rang the doorbell and knocked over and over at 1:20 a.m., claiming her friends left her and she needed a ride to Charlotte. But here's the thing. The homeowner wasn't taking any chances and called the police instead. Could it have been a real emergency? Maybe. Kansas City, Missouri. This dude is out here holding a machete and trying doorknobs? That is straight up terrifying. Like, what was the plan here? Lake Worth, Florida. This lady was just strolling down the road until she spotted a package sitting outside this house. And just like that, she decided it was hers. Let's see how this one plays out.
Here you go.
Oh.
Yes, there you go, honey.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
But nah, lady, you got caught red-handed on camera.
Thank you.
Norfolk, Virginia. These guys are out here testing every car door they can find, especially at night. Rochester, New York. These guys straight up broke the door to get inside and rob the place. Now, if the homeowner had caught that doorbell notification in time, this could have ended very differently. Maybe even with these guys in cuffs. But unfortunately, they got away. Virginia Beach, Virginia. This young lady shows up at midnight with some kind of request, but something about her just seems off.
Huh? Who am I looking for? I needed an iPhone charger. My phone had died in the middle of the night. I'm sorry to come to you at this time of the night. I know it's late.
Or is there something more going on here?
A charger? Oh, okay.
What do you guys think? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hialeah, Florida. These days, people will take anything they can get their hands on. Like seriously, how do we even deal with people like this? Delray Beach, Florida. This clip is straight up terrifying. This guy shows up late at night with an umbrella and an old school video recorder. And then it gets even creepier. He starts filming through windows and all around the property. If you recognize him, let the authorities know, because who knows? Tomorrow, he might show up at your door. Super scary. Wilmington, Delaware. Looks like this duo thought they could have a little date night in a stranger's house by breaking in, no less. Seriously, people, keep your doors locked. You never know who might show up uninvited. Albuquerque, New Mexico. This guy walked right up like he was shopping for the perfect shoe size to steal. But things went very wrong.
Hey, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing? You need me to get my... Drop that. Drop it. Get the out of here. What are you doing?
San Jose, California. But, ma'am, this is not your house. Time to move along. Phoenix, Arizona. These people are getting bolder by the day. Just watch this clip. It's honestly unreal. Houston, Texas. Home break-in in progress. But looks like that door is putting up a fight, making these guys work for it. See? This is why having a strong door is always a good idea. Boynton Beach, Florida. Around midnight, this woman rings the doorbell. But the moment she notices the camera, she starts looking real nervous. Imagine checking your doorbell cam and seeing this. What would you do? Port St. Lucie, Florida. This clip is both funny and a little concerning. A massive bobcat is just chilling outside this home, and the homeowner walks out without even noticing. But imagine if a kid had stepped outside instead. Yeah, that could have gone very wrong. Fort Myers, Florida. It's early morning, and this woman shows up at the door with some kind of request. But what's she really here for? Let's listen in and find out.
If you have a jacket or a towel, I'm freezing and my feet, I've been walking for miles and they're all blistered. I can't hear you. What? I don't know what you're saying. The air just kicked on out here. Do you have a towel? What? Okay.
Raleigh, North Carolina. It's 2 a.m. and a man and a woman show up at this house asking for Robbie.
Can I help you?
Where Robbie at?
Who?
Robbie, your son.
Excuse me, you at the wrong house at 2 o'clock in the morning.
I'm sorry, man.
But here's the thing. This isn't Robbie's house. So are they really lost? Or is this just an excuse?
You come back, I'm calling the police on your... Don't come back over here. I call the police on you at 2 o'clock in the morning.
Either way, never, and I mean never, open your door at this hour. West Valley City, Utah. This strange lady rings the doorbell late at night, and she seems way too desperate to get inside. But why? What's her reason?
Hi. Come on, please answer the door.
Honestly, I wouldn't take any chances. Newcastle, Delaware. These days, porch pirates come in all kinds. Some go for valuable packages, others, well, apparently, they'll even steal a gas can if you leave it outside. Phoenix, Arizona. Seriously, do these people not have anything better to do? Like, go get a job or something. Dallas, Texas. Beware of this guy. He tried to steal a package while pretending to be a UPS worker, and the homeowner almost fell for it. But luckily, the homeowner's boyfriend showed up just in time and called him out. And guess what? The guy kept insisting it was his package. Yeah, nice try, buddy.
kids work.
Kansas City, Missouri. It's 3 a.m., and this woman is wandering around someone's property. And let's be real, she's definitely not here for a good reason. What do you think she was up to? Glendale, Arizona. Looks like this porch pirate might need to hit the gym. She's struggling to even lift the packages. But seriously, instead of stealing, how about getting a real job? Just a thought. San Jose, California. So this woman shows up at 4 a.m., knocking, ringing the doorbell, and when no one answers, she starts trying the doorknob. And then she even punches in a passcode, like she knows the code. Is she lost? Maybe, but she sure doesn't look confused enough to be lost. What do you guys think? Something's not adding up here. San Antonio, Texas. This neighbor just walked right into the homeowner's property like he owned the place.
Back off. Back off. You don't scare me, Jerry. Back off, dude.
I'm asking you to please leave.
All right.
I'm asking you to please leave. No trouble here.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Dallas, Texas. Another couple caught trying every doorknob on the block. Like, is this their idea of couple goals? Breaking into random houses together? Unbelievable. San Antonio, Texas. Not sure if this has anything to do with those police cars spotted at BC, but just a quick reminder, do not keep your key under the mat. Houston, Texas. Around 11 p.m. last night, these boys were going around knocking on doors. The police were called, but who knows what they were up to. Hialeah, Florida. These guys have seriously made stealing packages their full-time job, especially at night. Cape Coral, Florida. Another late-night creep on the move. But hold up. What's in his mouth? That's looking real creepy. And buddy, let's be honest, you're not fitting through that window. Watching people try and fail to climb into houses just proves nighttime is not the time to let your guard down. Portsmouth, Virginia. These two guys were up to something.
That's the police.
Boom, straight over the fences like Olympic athletes. Greensboro, North Carolina. This UPS driver didn't just drop off his package. He noticed an Amazon package sitting outside and made sure to tuck both safely away. Big shout out to you, buddy. You definitely deserve a raise. Raleigh, North Carolina. Check out this kid pretending to smell the flowers outside the house, but the camera caught what he was really eyeing, the package. And sure enough, he couldn't resist, snatched it and ran. If you're the parent of this kid, might be time for a little lesson, so he doesn't try this again. Is this guy legit? No company logo on his shirt, no company vehicle, and he tried the door handle before ringing the doorbell. That's already suspicious. Let's see what he has to say to the homeowner after getting caught.
Hello, what's going on, Dad? I'm Aaron. I'm coming back. I'm coming from Top Tier. We're doing the net meter. Have you heard about it?
What is that?
You know, the Dominions been raising the increase of the power bills. So what we're doing is we're going to swap out the bill so there's no more electric bill. Yeah, that's what everybody's looking into it. So it's no upfront cost. I see you got a beautiful garden out here. How long you been here? How long you lived here?
Actually, I can't decide anything. I'm a renter.
Oh, okay. Thank you, sir.